Hello, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I'm super excited to finally have our YouTube channel where I can share with you all that I have learned, I have gained over the years and through my interactions with my clients. I know there are lots of YouTube channels related to health, so why should you be here? Because instead of giving you remedies and tips or telling you how to do something, I want to give you something a lot more precious, correct understanding and in-depth knowledge. If you know a topic, not just know about it, but actually know it and understand it, you can make much more informed decisions. So then these next few sessions are going to be called Keys of Health. They're all very, very important keys, things you need in order to unlock the doors of wellness. So let's start with the first key, extremely important, water. If I give you only one factoid about water, it will be that it is the difference between your life and death. If you don't have something to eat, you can go on for days or even weeks without food and still be alive. But 3 days without water, the organs will fail and the person will die. Your body needs a lot of water to carry out many essential functions, such as maintaining or balancing the internal temperature and keeping cells alive. Aside from just simply keeping you alive, water plays a very, very important role in your quality of life. It is the secret behind your health, your strength, brain function, clear skin, digestion, healthy weight, you name it. Throughout this discussion, I will continue to show you how water plays a vital role in making you you and helping you reach your optimal wellness. We all drink water, but so many people are unaware of the importance and benefits of consuming the right amount of water and the right kind of water. Water treatment is gaining popularity around the world, where health experts are treating or curing chronic health conditions with just water. I'm not going to go into the details of that, but I will tell you one thing. Water is a huge contributing factor towards cure and reversal of any health condition, whether it is skin disorder, hair loss, fatigue, migraines, fibromyalgia, mood swings, digestive concerns, canker sores, memory loss, foggy brain, hormonal imbalance, weight gain, premature aging. The lurking culprit behind all of them is lack of water. Now I'm about to make a very bold claim, and I want you to hear me out before you rush to judgment. I'm going to claim that you can reverse all your health concerns. It's possible. You can have a gorgeous glowing skin, a sharp memory, shiny hair, strong nails, happy, bubbly, confident countenance, high energy levels throughout the day, pleasurable, intimate experience free of pain and discomfort, all with the help of water. I'm not going to go into details here because I'm only introducing the keys of health to you. On this platform, I'm going to share habits and practices which help you unlock your inner capacity to reach optimal wellness. You're more than welcome to get in touch with me if you have any specific concerns, but here I will only give you an overview, a general overview of things. Today we will examine the larger picture of what role water plays towards your health and well-being. Bring any issue to me and I will show you how you can reverse it and how water will play a big role in that reversal. I promise you, you will see a huge difference in just days. What is water? What does it contain? Why is it essential for me? Boring. I am not here to give you a lecture on water and its scientific breakdown. But what I am interested in discussing is the amount of water you should drink and the kind of water you should drink. So let's talk about the difference between water and water. You have tap water, mineral water, hard water, soft water, alive water, dead water, alkaline water, acidic water, healthy water, and water loaded with chlorine, lead, germs, and other chemicals. Just as it is important to drink right amount of water, it is important to drink the right kind of water. I don't want you to forget these two. Factors which affect how much water a person needs depend on their age, their activity levels, their overall health, bodily functions, their height and weight, the sex of the person. What a person eats may also affect the amount of water they need to drink. For example, a person who eats water-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, juices may not need to drink as much water as someone who has been eating grains, bread, and other dry food. The environmental conditions a person is in will also affect how much water their body uses. Someone who is living in a hot climate will sweat more, causing them to lose more water. A person in a climate-controlled environment will not lose that much water and thereby not need that much water. A person who has diarrhea or is vomiting will lose water much faster than someone without these issues. However, an average adult who is moderately active needs up to 3 liters of water daily. That's about 12 cups of water. And I'm not talking about 4-ounce teeny tiny cups. We're talking about 8-ounce cups. 12 8-ounce cups daily. Not only do you need to drink enough water, you need to make sure you're drinking the right kind of water. Many people drink tap water. Their logic is that if the water is clean enough to take a shower with, it is clean enough to drink. All right, let's accept this pretext and let's build on it. In many areas, the tap water quality is amazing. And some fortunate cities and towns even get spring water through their taps. In that case, only basic filtration is enough. But most of the time, what we get is treated water. Treated water goes through processes to make it safe for consumption by humans or other animals. Examples of water treatment processes for drinking include desalination, coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Most often, a combination of these processes is used to produce treated drinking water. Almost every step of this process involves chemicals, and by the time the water is made available to us, the water is safe, but there are chemicals in it which are not so safe for us. If you're pregnant and breastfeeding, the last thing you want is water containing chlorine, lead, and other chemicals. It is very dangerous for you and your baby. If the tap water you get is exceptionally poor quality and simple home filtration system won't do much, then the better option is mineral water. You can find mineral water in the supermarkets. The bottles usually indicate the source of water since it is very important. It tells you whether the water is coming from the Italian Alps, the Turkish mountains, or Scottish Highlands, because where the water is coming from gives its unique blend of minerals. These minerals are what make the water alive and help your body function optimally. If the water doesn't have any minerals, it is dead water. Sure, you're hydrating your body by drinking it, but it is not necessarily helping you thrive the way it should. It is your responsibility to check the quality of the water you and your family is drinking. So let's talk about this for a moment. There are home tester kits available to check the amount of chlorine and other substances in your water. You could also do a litmus test to determine the acidic levels of your water. A good quality water would fall between 7 and 8 on the litmus range. There are so many options available nowadays. The most advanced system out there at the moment is the filtration system with alkalizing and ionizing technology. I'm not here to promote anything or tell you what to do, but what I do want to do is encourage you to do your research and to choose the best according to your financial situation and your family's needs. So today I'm focusing on only these elements: why water is the most important key of health, and why you need to drink adequate amount of water, and why you need to drink living water as opposed to dead water. I discuss all of this in detail in one of the articles on my website. I'll provide the link below so you can read the article and get in-depth understanding. If you seriously grab this key, you can unlock the secret of reversing 99% of your health concerns. I promise it. I guarantee it. Not only that, you can prevent the onset of a lot of potential diseases and early aging, hair fall, weight gain, cholesterol, blood pressure issues, and so much more. Remember, prevention is better than cure. So if you look at chronic diseases, they often start off as a result of unresolved inflammation in the body. This inflammation can often just be taken care of by adequate amount of water. Interestingly enough, even some mental and emotional conditions like depression and mood swings can also be tied to lack of water, at least in their initial stages. The same is true for overeating, inability to lose weight, hormonal imbalance, migraines, and so many more problems that have become such a norm in our societies. I want you to remember that they all have a common denominator: inadequate amount of water in the body. I find this topic extremely fascinating. I have personally examined hundreds of cases, even thousands if you include the researches I have looked into, of people suffering from conditions like epilepsy, bipolar disorder, depression, anxiety, suicidal tendencies, fibromyalgia, insomnia, poor memory, and sexual dysfunction, especially among females. When I studied it carefully, one common trait began to emerge among all of them: they hardly drink water. Over time, it becomes a habit, and they are not even aware of it. People are not even aware of it. Most of these people in these studies, when they were interviewed, they admitted that they forget to drink water. This becomes a habit until the problem intensifies in the body and implodes in the form of one condition or the other. I'm not by any means trying to downplay the medical conditions and saying that all the cases are caused due to lack of water, but what I am saying is that it is a very relevant contributing factor. Drink enough water, drink right kind of water, water which is alive and has minerals that can actually feed your cells and help them function properly. For more details, you can read the article on my website or get in touch with me personally. With your specific condition, I will take you step by step to help you resolve the problem. So if you are drinking on average 3 liters of water a day, you're fine. But I guarantee you, majority of the people don't even drink 1/4 of the recommended amount. By the way, women who are suffering from sexual dysfunction, especially dry vagina, there's absolutely no need to resort to topical gels or prescription treatments. I can help you resolve the problem by simply drinking the right amount of water. I am making this claim based on experience after helping hundreds of women with this problem. Trust me, you can be fine in no time and have wonderful experiences. If you're interested, let me know and I will do a more detailed video on the topic, including how to choose the right kind of water, recommended filters, when to drink water for maximum benefits, how to drink water, etc. But I want to end this video with this message: water, water, water. As always, be your best self and take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.